You would think ukuthi with everything that is out there about abuse, sexual assault, GBV, we wouldn't be seeing as many cases as we do see.
Thank you, Machitid. Welcome to the East Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Nkamunkanyiso Nqome, your host. Shude kuyasho ke bafethu lesithathwa ama-out, lesithathwa amajita. Thank you, Machitid. Angihambi ngedwa as always.
Yizwa leso ngiyazi-ke sesibuyele lesithathu all over ulesithathu ama-out sikhona njengenjwayelo Andile Ace Mahashule Shulex Mesenot Purple Shepherd ukhona naye kanje namhlanje
Mochaka
Thank you, Shabir.
Will Skaji
Mashile.
Purple Shepherd. Be back at it. The Ins Podcast Azish.
Bazobuza abantu ukuthi ubukuphi sibachazele
Asekho.
noma. Haw. Babathi vele ukuba
besangcebelekile
ubone la mfita eqimbile yini awukahle wena
ngiyambona sayoshaya iholiday
uyakhalela ukusibeka kancane nje ukuthi bekunjani eGoli.
Nah, no, it was good, man. Yeah. So,
Actually next time mase simphethe
my
ngala.
guest, if it's,
Yeah, okay. So namhlanje siniphathele i-episode ekulento yethu leyo ukuthi silibele sikhuluma. Sigcine sesithinta lezi zinto lezi esizithintayo. But ke ku-episode kaThobeka kwenzeka ukuthi sikhulume ngezinto sigcine sesidiscover ezinye izinto sabona ukuthi I think it would be nice because indlela abanye abantu abareacta ngayo ukuthi silethe umuntu onolwazi olujulile kulento le njengenjwayelo nizo understand ukuthi njalo mayiqhubeka sirecorda siba nawo lo mkhuba lo ukuthi silethe abantu abazi kangcono kuma subjects thizeni la sikhuluma ngapha because we understand ukuthi some of these topics that we talk about are very sensitive yabo. So ke namhlanje siniphathele uDr Zinzi Kotwana.
away.
Take machite sabona
Yebo, ninjani?
siyaphila dokotela.
Awukuthanda ke lokho kodokotela.
No, I think kubalekile phela lama title nawasebenzela Nkosi yami. Ngeke kukwazi. Yabo usesevasithi uyingane uyijulukela lento. Nali kithuba la angithi
Hayi.
udokotela ke.
Hayi nguyena. Let me own it.
Please.
Yes, nguzinzile wakaNkontwana. I'm sure niyaqala ukusizwa leso sibongo.
Mina ngiyaqala nje. But sisana ngathi sesixhosa kodwa ngiyaqala.
Umzulu nje, umzulu uphaqa.
Nkuntwana
Kontwana,
Nkuntwane
Kontwana.
na
Omsweli, onondumo.
besengizoyilanda ngithi onkuntwana bangaphi nezwe neNatal mhlawumbe basenhla basezansi yabo khona uzoyilanda uyithole kahle but hayi kulungile
Hayi amazulu. Kodwa phela sasemzini. Mina ngumangwenya.
Esokuqala kanjani?
Ngisho ukuthi abekho abanye onkontwana sasemzini onkontwana but
So ibona nje kuphela.
Ibona kuphela.
omsweli
But onkontwana isithakazela umsweli. But onkontwana nje mawuhlangana nomuntu ethi wakaNkontwana wasemzini. Abekho abanye onkontwana abakhona. Yeah, but amazulu.
Okay, that's interesting. Ukuthi mina ke isenimi yami nami ngiyimina ngedwa eKZN
Yeah,
but
I never heard it.
ijwayelekile la siqhamuka ngakhona.
Awuqhamuka phela?
Isibongo esako Lesotho Matatele.
Ayi.
Unqhume kahle hle but ngijwayele ukusibiza ngonqhome for abantu ukuthi kube lula ukuthi basipronounce nokuthi basibhale.
Oh.
Yeah, into kanjalo. Omhlakwane bale. But ke asizile ngaka. Cela usitshele a bit more about yourself and lo msebenzi owenzayo.
Okay, I think more above everything else okubalekile nje kumina is that I'm a mom. I'm a mom of 4, 2 girls, 2 boys. Then everything else falls after that. Okubalekile nje ukuthi nguma weyingane. But yes, I'm also a doctor. I study care in UKZN. I'm born and bred and studied and got married. Everything I'm Eli Tegwin. Yes. So, like you said, this year I happened to be placed in a new environment, angisho kanjalo, emsebenzini, which I wasn't really comfortable with. But I'm sure you guys know what's happening in Kahel. There's shortages everywhere. So we told us usebenza with department ungazi. So yes, that is how I find myself working where I'm currently working now in terms of departments. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, there's not much about me. There is something special about me that I'm a military wife. Senzoyifundela ke ngokwenu ukuthi ngithini mangishotsha.
Yo, okay. Yasama yini shapini. Kumele ubala amagama. Enye level ye protection. Akuyona leyo kulandela.
Bengithi angichazi nje hayi kabanzi. Otherwise, yeah, that's me.
So that is why kungekho lula for you to accept i-title yasemsebenzini uprefer more ukuba umama nale yasemsebenzini. Do you think that's the case?
Well, no, I just, it's weird. I understand like the doctor title, society and everything and how they feel about the title yokuba dokotela. It's just like I was saying, you're so polite and so doctor. It's just
Just the title.
yeah, it's just the title.
Oh, wow.
I've been in the field for quite a while, so it's just the title. I mean, it doesn't make me who I am. Like I identify myself more as a mom than anything else. But yes, secondary to that, I am.
So you're the type of person me so uphumile emsebenzini uphumile awuyona le nhlobo lena ethi mina ngiyudokotela
No, never. Kodwa nginabo ayingibazi nabangani abanjalo, but not me.
No,
But I would proudly say nguma weingane eziwu4. Yes, definitely. Yeah.
why?
You know what? I've always wanted a big family. And
Suqedile yini?
definitely, yes. Sengqedile, but I've always wanted a big family. I feel like I'm living an answered prayer. It's what I've wanted. It's what I've prayed for. It's what I have. So I really embrace being a mom more than anything, being a wife, being at home. That's what I really, really enjoy. But see, masengizesibhedlela yes ngudokotela, but masengisekhaya kusala lapha ubudokotela. At home, I wish I could have a proper balance, of which I'm sure a lot of people in the medical field find it hard. It's very hard to balance being at home, being a mom, and being at work. And most of my colleagues actually do not have 4 kids. That's why I say it so proudly.
Bayahluleka
It's just career.
Yeah.
I feel like our career doesn't have the time, maybe. A lot of people are career driven, and it's very hard to see you can be career driven and still manage to have so many kids.
Yeah.
I'm still yet to meet someone they have a complete balance between the two. It's not easy.
Yeah.
So kuba khona la kulekha khona, yabo.
When ikuphi la ufila ngazuthi kulekha khona?
Definitely in my career. Definitely. I feel like I have taken a step back. I've given up on some of the dreams I've had in my career, to be a mom, to be at home, because I think that's more important to me. There's a certain way ngifuna ingane zami zikhule ngayo, and ukuze zikhule kanjalo I need to be there. I can have auntie or peers, everyone can be there, but khona izinto ingane zami ezoyithatha kumina esidinga uma wazo. And with my husband and I both being in the medical field, I feel like one of us has to take a step back. And I would or whatever, I decided myself, I'm going to be the one that takes a step back. So definitely I have given up parts of my career to be a mom and be at home, yeah. If I could actually,
Wow, yes, you are saying something that is very interesting, because there's a shortage in medical field as we get organic health in Jebush.
yeah, kwa health,
Yabo?
yeah.
And usubekwe kule role obekwe kuyona. So sengizama ukupictureisha manje if uyahlehla futhi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngala, but still for you this is a big family is a bigger cause than just uhambe yo achieve ama-accolades asemsebenzini.
Yeah.
So what are some of the opportunities that you feel like you are missing because kumele within the field ngoba kumele unakekele umndeni?
What am I missing in the field?
Yeah.
Well, I haven't studied further much.
Yeah.
You know, to us, if you just have your undergraduate degree, which is your MBCHB, ngasho kanjani ngathi udokotela o lower grade. Khona baku higher grade yabona. So noma nenza isifundo esifanayo kodwa ngathi wena usenze ngo lower grade, so I haven't had the opportunity to specialize. Remember, it's like a minimum of 4 years, hectic studying, you are working, you are studying. There's diplomas. The problem with medicine, I'm sure a lot of other fields, but car health injury, you are constantly studying. So just because I'm not a paper, but you are constantly to be in an environment where you are dealing with patients and people, you need to be updated. There's all my guidelines are always changing. So on top of that, more usufuna specialize, you are studying low 4 years nje. Angazi ngathini
Yeah.
udla incwadi ngempela. And I feel I haven't been able to do that because I've chosen ukuthi anginawo 4 years la engakwazi khona uconcentrate encwadini.
Yeah.
My kids are very busy, you know, so they do every sport you can think
Bangakanani man?
omdala asufuna ukwazi
No.
awuthi ngayisho iminyaka.
Ngithi sikhuluma ngengane encane abo mase uthi ba busy.
Babhizi
So-
omdala usevasithi.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oy,
What?
Hayi, sunshine. Omdala usevasithi wenza first year, and then ulandela lawyers in primary school, and then I have 2 young ones. My youngest is 1.
Yeah.
So also that adjusting from being a teen mom to basically a toddler mom.
Yeah.
Yabo ukuthi it's nice when ngenza kho mhlambe sicishe ilingane, then you know I'm a toddler mom, I'm a teen mom. Mina in a day I can be teen mom, toddler mom. So
And awukwazi ukukhuluma nabendlela ezifanayo.
no. Ungathi
Noma bala bonke uzabe
Ungathi-
explain into eyi-one.
kade udinwe teenager sekumele udlala kokomele no 2 years, you know? So multiple personalities, you know.
I can only imagine. You know, I didn't want to take this conversation there, but it's calling for that. So, do you think it's a problem? Your profession, Noma, it's a problem. Your your environment, this is your society. ukuthi if a woman is called for greatness in their career, then they have to sacrifice a lot, and especially umusubuka sacrifice ingane. Mase kumele uyeke ingane just because wena ufuna ukachieve izinto emsebenzini, because you are not the first female eyenza umsebenzi o serious engike ngihlangane nayo ingitshela ukuthi kunzima kangakanani, but you are the first ozazi ukuthi wena ikhaya libaluleke more than just ukachieve izinto kwi career.
I think a lot of people struggle with it. Another thing, you know, there is pressure out there I think in every field, you know, to be the best at what you do, you know. And if you feel a bit, I'm not the best, you want to be the best. So I just think it's a decision one honestly just needs to make. And I feel that sooner you make it, the better. Because then we are in limbo, ungazazi ukuthi, do I really want to excel in my career? Do I want to be a mom? A lot of people struggle. But I also think having, you know, when you've decided and you have as many children as I've had, I mean, I only have 4, but come on, yazi, yabo lo msebenzi engibona manje, first day ngoqala ngangikhulelwe, yabo. Obvious abazange babone, yes, ngawuthola ngikhulelwe.
Thuka kakhulu
Wathuka manje.
Thuka kakhulu. Ngathi abantu abakhulelwa bangeni la.
Abaqashwa, yikho-ke sifihla, you know.
Oh,
So
okay, yeah.
yes, I got highly pregnant, but obviously kwangabonakali. But within a month or so, I was showing, and one of the like nursing staff that I work with, wangibuza wathi, how doke ingane singakule ngathi yes for what? Hawu, angikaze ngibone udokotela ozele kangaka. So yabo, it's just not it's not common
It's-
that
yeah,
you
you could come on,
find.
yeah.
Because our career does demand, and I'm sure a lot of careers demand
Yeah.
a lot, you know.
Cela usichazele-ke manje ngalo msebenzi because abantu beyazi ukuthi kunalo msebenzi
Nalo
uqalele kunalo
msebenzi.
msebenzi. Cela usichazele.
So I'm just a normal medical officer, is what you call them, working in government.
Yeah.
But I've been put in a crisis center. That is what I mean with it. My department changed.
Okay.
So a crisis center, there are many crisis centers. You know, I'm just in one of the crisis centers. So a crisis center deals mainly with GBV and sexual assault. So that is where I currently work now.
GPV. Oh, yazi sake
Gender-based
sakhuluma.
violence.
Yazi sake sakhuluma ngayo gender based violence la. But asikaze sithinte kakhulu ku sexual assault. Sathi la sesikhuluma no Thobeka. So kuyilento, is it just mostly kwi side labantu besifazane noba kuhlangene konke ungathi into engathi 50-50 kukona ko2?
You'd find it's 50-50, but abantu abasukumayo, abantu besifazane, I think that's the thing. That's where you are not able to get proper stats because abantu abakusukumelayo kakhulu abantu besifazane. I think kunzima umuntu wesilisa ukuthi asukume aze e-crisis center azosho ukuthi ngishawa umfazi. Ongihlukunyezwa
Should mase
umfazi.
sekuyi crisis center ikusuke sekugcineni ngempela akukona ukuthi ngishawe impama.
No, we don't have akukho ukuthi mhlawumbe mawushawe ngempama ukwazi ukuza no.
Okay.
Ngisho mawuhlukumezekile nje. It's just it is a crisis.
Yeah.
Ukuhlukumezeka in any form. So I think that's why it's called a crisis center, you
Yeah.
know, because ukuhlukumezeka in any form kwi crisis. So we are there to help in times of maguthi uhlangana with that crisis.
So abantu bayakusukumela nalokho ngicabanga. So abantu basukumela izinto ezingakanani ngokwe.
No, it's so sad. We don't see impama. We see like a lot of physical abuse, and we see a lot of sexual assault.
Yo. Cause yabona cause uthi abantu besilisa abayisukumile. So nami sengizama ukubuka according to indlela esiphila ngayo nathi ukuthi unokubona abantu becabana okanye ubone ukuthi hayi lo uyamhlukumeza lo but awukwazi ukuthiwa khona icala okanye khona into etheni la. Ingako I was making the assumption ukuthi kushuthi nina nidila nalama case lawa asuke sewubona because umuntu kuze aza crisis center basuke sekuwest but it's not like into ekumele yenzeke ukuthi sekuwest.
Yeah. Akumele, I just feel like any form of abuse should be reported. I think ukuthi escalate izifike la isi crisis corner.
Yeah.
But like I'm saying, ukuthi ukushaya umuntu ngempama, it is a crisis because it's a form of abuse. So we see a range of, you know, children, adults, female, male. We see a different cases angisho njalo, yabo. Yeah, and then we just work with what we have. You know, as much as you would think ukuthi with everything that is out there about abuse, sexual assault, GBV, we wouldn't be seeing as many cases as we do see. But we see these cases.
Serious?
Kusenzeka nje. Yes, kusenzeka.
Kuyawenza umehluko kodwa lo msindo osiwuzayo online noma nalama campaign.
I hope it does.
But nje akubonakala.
I feel like kuyabonakala. I'm sure kuyabonakala. I'm sure more competition stats from back then. Remember, I've just started.
Yes.
But I also feel like it's too much. Even namanje, I feel it's too much.
Because really there's no one not deserving into kanjani.
Yes, there's no one. And you know, the scary part is I'm a perpetrators, which means abantu abahlukumezayo. They have no profile. I've tried, you know, even if you sit and you think about all the cases you've seen in the past few months and you can't profile them. It can be from a God-fearing family man to someone on the streets to an educated person, uneducated. There's no profile. From a relative to a friend to a stranger, there's just no profile. And I think that's what scares me.
Yo, so dila kanjani nento ongayazi? Because it's more like it's not in a human form, but it's something that is within humans or that's behind them. And now then it's not easy for you to detect that, even for prevention.
Yeah, prevention is hard because I mean it's not it can be done, but it is hard because you do not know who the perpetrators are. So you just need, I think, as a parent, as a brother, as a sister, as a father, you just need to instill it kubantu ukuthi this is what abuse is, this is what you mustn't. I mean, ngike ngizwele kakhulu iy'ngane, you know, because the problem with kids is they don't disclose. Ingane ayisho. Ingane ungai, the smallest thing, if you say to ingane, if you tell, I will do it again. Ngebash. If you tell, I will kill your mom, even in Tobo it won't happen. Children do not disclose, and that's the difficult part.
I think okunye mhlawumbe there's also trying to say when Nkanyos is when you look at it, she's looking at it from a medical field perspective, yabo. But basically lento zamogisho, more reason why abantu besilisa they don't want to speak about these things in most cases because umthetho has right now we're speaking about sexual assault, right? But there's also something called common assault, which is also a crime, and it also answers what you're saying. Which even ukushaya umuntu ngempama is a crime. Being reckless is a crime. There's things like your negligence. It's also it also grows and it becomes a crime to a certain extent, yabo. So we in most cases as people and it's how we live. Siyayiziba lezo zinto because we think mhlambe it's ukushaya ngempama is not enough for ukuthi kube i-case, which umthetho wona uthi it's actually a crime. So ungavuka ekuseni uhambe uyofuna, but abantu they don't know ukuthi there's that side of umthetho yabo. Wena mabeyibuka they look at it as in mhlambe assault is when sefuna ungishaya ngize ngiphume igazi yabo. Then kuyima besukuma bethi no, now I need to wake up the following day or now go and open a case against this person because sengilimazile and there's bodily injuries, there's what sebonakalayo yabo. So sometimes it also speaks to your ingqondo ukuthi we accept in lento society accepts lento kanje yabo. But I think can be cover in a medical side your field.
Thank you, Shure.
Yeah, lento ayishoyo ukuthi lento bengisho ukuthi even impama is a crisis, you know, coming to a crisis sense. I think maybe the name iyadidisa kancane ukuthi kumele kuze kube into enkulu.
Into enkulu, yes.
Of which impama is into
Into enkulu,
enkulu.
yeah. Musu,
But umuntu
i-trauma
uzohlala-
iyodwa,
Yeah.
ungihlaba nje ngempama nje.
But umuntu uzohlala abona ukuthi no kumele mhlambe ngize like he's saying
Intimidation too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Intimidation uze kuthiwa usuvulelwe ithini lento ekuthiwa awukwazi ukuvashela uma beshayana abantu le police station ithole
Restraining order.
restraining order because you are intimidator. So I have every right to think ngemaphoyiseni ngivula icala amaphoyisa anginikeze restraining order so that I can because wonke umuntu khumbula unalento ufuna you are free awufune uhambe emgaqweni usaba.
Yeah. So nina kwi-department yenu nidila nabantu nenza muphi umsebenzi within le crisis center. So it's more about ukubasiza abantu noma it's
Yes, so at our crisis center, there's everybody you can think of. There's a social worker, there's a doctor, there's a social worker, there's a psychologist, there's a policeman, policewoman, there's someone to assist with the victims. So everyone you need at the time when you come to a crisis center is there. So akukho ukuthi uzofika ubona udokotela mase kuthi hamba kuye police station cha. Uphuma kulo mnyango ungena umakhelwane psychologist imakhelwane iphoyisa, everything you need is there. So it's like a one-stop place, which is good because we are all there to support and until you know, and we do follow-ups. We see our patients, you come back, we do follow-ups. So that's basically what we do at a crisis center.
so wena bese uspecialize ngani khona lapha e-crisis center. Umuntu mayinokho emnyangweni wakho uzokwenza.
Igama lokuspecialize.
No, sorry, no. Sengisholo. Ulibaleka ngenyale le. Awufuni kuthiwa wena specialize.
Nange sethi ngiyaspecialize. Oh.
No, sengisholo phela umuntu menokho angeke athi ufuna iphoyisa nokho emnyangweni wakho. No, within this yes, got to.
Oh, ngikhatha nebhizi.
No.
No, obviously before ufike kudokotela uthi ufika nje ungena emnyango, there's our receptionist, the data capturer receptionist, so uqala khona usho your case, bakuvulela ifile, and then you see the nurses, they do what they need to do, then you come to the doctor. So for us it's more examining the patient, you know. But remember, everyone there, while they are seeing you, awudingi ukuthi uzofike kwi-psychologist ukuze uthole some sort of therapy angisho. From the time ufika nje usho ukuthi kwenzeke into ethile kumina, you are being counseled at every opportunity that we get. We are counseling you, we calming you down, you know. Mhlawumbe uyafika omunye ukafika impahla idabukile akadlile before uze ufike even nakudokotela. Everyone at a crisis center tries by all means ukuthi sikhounselishe. By the time vele ufika kudokotela kwisakho, you've been getting counseling help throughout. You know, we have food available, we have clothes available. Should you come, your clothes are torn, you are hungry, there's blankets. So in each and every step, you are made comfortable. But wonke umuntu ose-crisis center unento yakhe specific ayenzayo. I think that's what you mean. What do I do specifically?
Yeah.
So when you get to udokotela, you know, the doctor is there to basically fill in what we call it J88, iphoyisa le documents emaphoyiseni ozodecide ukuthi uyalivula icala noma cha. So siyarekhoda there ukuthi isitori sakho sithini, all your demographics, details, everything, and then any injuries that we find. So we need to do a full head-to-toe examination. So that is mainly what the doctor does, record all injuries and then check if there's anything ephuthumayo. Mhlawumbe khona la wopha khona kakhulu, udinga ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi esibhedlela uadmithwe, or there's injuries khona la uphuke khona, udinga ukuthi uyokwenza x-ray. But nje it's just to record all the injuries, check if there are no serious injuries, and then take it from there.
Yeah, I think Leo part. It's a very it sounds like a very beautiful and process, and then kwi case yenu whereby ukuthi umuntu uzo-examina even from head to toe without, because ngeke ukuthi ngilimele la okanye kwenzeke ukuthi, and then now you as a doctor you need to focus on that.
Yeah.
Kanti lo muntu akazi yena ukuthi ukulimala kwakho la mhlambe ku-affecteke into ukuthi nento ukuthi. But then with i-volume yabantu enibatholayo, do you get enough time to make sure ukuthi wonke lama steps afollow sheka nge-process right?
We do. I mean, there's more than one doctor during the day. Then after hours, there's one doctor.
Oh.
But there is enough staff.
So umuntu uyakwazi ukuza straight kwi-crisis center without ukuthi aqale esibhedlela okanye
uza straight in.
ngeke akuphi lama-crisis center, I'm sure abantu bazowadinga. Yes, ngeke, I'm sure abantu bazowadinga.
Most public hospitals have a crisis center. So nje if kuna noma yini eyenzakalayo nje, even ngathi uyakhona esibhedlela bazokutshela vele ukuthi ikhona i-crisis center nansi la or iseduze. So most big hospitals have a crisis
So
center.
uyakwazi ukungena egate-ini ucele mhlawumbe security okanye umuntu kwi-reception ukuthi nje mina ngicela i-crisis center.
Yes.
So from izinto usually izinto ezifresh ezisaqeda ukwenzeka noma kwizinto ezinye zakudala, because kwezinye iy'nkathi kuyenzeka ukuthi ngilimale but ngingakwazi ukuhamba ukuyobika.
So we don't discriminate at all. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa ufika usuna-20 into yenzeka una-5, we still see you. We still examine you fully. We still fill in the J88 fully. So icala liboli. So ngisho ngabe kuthiwa yenzeka nini leyo nto, you have a right to report it whenever.
Ubuwenzani before ungene ku-department? Ngizama uku-understand ukuthi uku-adjusta kusuza ngala.
It did take a lot. I mean, I was in private for a while. I've never been in an environment like this. So it also takes a lot from you. You can imagine, uneyingane unosisi, you know, itoro izwa laphayana. It's very hard ukuthi ungayirelate with you know, lo muntu ulingana nengane yami, lo muntu ulingana nosisi wami, you know. So also, I mean, sometimes you see someone and you're almost in tears, but you need to compose yourself. You can't just, I mean, umuntu ethe phuma ngomnyango zehla inyembezi, but you can't sit there and cry your eyes out and when someone tells you that people go through a lot. There are traumatic things out there, you know, but you have to compose yourself. I think that's been very, very difficult for me because you sit there and you need to compose yourself. You know, the person is there for comfort, you know. you can't be comforting them now, yakhala now, you know. You need to try find the silver, try make them laugh.
futhi
a
ngakhala
bit.
usuku lonke.
And to compose. That's why I get, you know, sometimes you are tested and you're put in a place where you never thought to there, you know, I never thought I'd find myself in this particular post. But actually, I like it. I enjoy it. Every opportunity I get. I mean, I'm a very paranoid mom. Yes, it has increased my paranoia because now you walk around thinking everybody's a perpetrator.
Because awukwazi nokumbona.
Because awuyazi perpetrates ukuthi njani. Umuntu wesilisa, umuntu wesifazane, everyone umbona as a potential perpetrator. But it's also I find myself talking about it a lot unintentionally, like ngaqondeli uthola ukuthi ngihleli nomuntu osengisho ukuthi hey yazi ogada mawuthatha ama-Uber ebusuku. Oh God, you know, so it's given me an opportunity to be able to educate those that are around me, those that are close to me, you know. And, you know, you tell one person, the next person tells somebody else. So just by word of mouth, I actually appreciate that I'm able to work. And even if it's umuntu oyedwa, it's okay for me, you know. At the end of the day, I think that's how I changed the mindset. Instead of sitting there crying every day, wow, how can someone do this to a 5-year-old child? I've seen it as an let me try by all means ukuthi the next person abe aware wabona ama-danger signs abone ukuthi hey ingane mayisishintsha la or ingasenzi lokhu angicheck, you know. And you get some very, very good moms, you know. And there's nothing wrong with looking at your child and seeing what is normal from abnormal. If you do not know what is normal, you know, I tell some of my friends this who are not in the medical field, just look and know. So if anything happens, I get to guess or when, right? Because like I said, children will not disclose, you know. If take it serious. Check and actually follow up, because the only thing that might be a sign of umntana calling is sis. Pain.
Yeah, so, I'm sitting here and I'm listening to you, and so I'm trying to understand, moving from Dudok to this side, and at the same time, how do you shift, you know, from private to Dudok and everything to this emergency center where you're dealing with Integranje, and also what is one story that really hit home for you?
Yo, I don't know how I made the switch, to be honest. I just feel and just being thrown in the deep end, and then you just learn how to swim. I feel like that's what happened to me. I did not have the opportunity to transition. And into siyashoda government, asikho isikhathi sokuthi, you know, ngisazothatha isikhathi ukuthi ease into it. No, you need to jump into it and get going. Kusetshenzwe, you know. So I do not feel ukuthi I had the time to transition. I just went from one end to another. But somehow I found a way to, you know, like at our working, we even have our own psychologist to see us as the healthcare providers. Should you feel overwhelmed or you feel there's a story too big for you or it hits home, you know. I don't want to share about story that have really, really touched me. Because I mean, obviously they make you emotional, because you bottle up all these feelings while you are busy seeing the patient, or we call them the survivor. You know, you bottle up all those feelings. But masuhlezi phansi usuwedwa usuyicabanga esidlala lento ngathi film yonke into kade yisho kuwena. You bawl your eyes out. You know, it hurts. It's painful. It's sore. You know, so. There's been quite a few, but I think I'm very, very sensitive when it comes to children, you know, very extremely sensitive. Because ingane, obviously, I was ukuthi no, but it shouldn't get to a point where a child has to say no, you know, just don't do it, ingane, you know. And what I always tell the teenagers around me is to be careful, you know, a lot of men, yes. Like I say, So, you know, I always tell, even Nami, my cousins, my brothers, I always tell them, umuntu who is 16 years and less is underage. You will go to jail if you are in a relationship with someone. And I don't know if this is not common knowledge or not, because we see a lot of that, and that's statutory rape, you know. I was also not 20, when a girlfriend in a 16. That is what I'm not sure of, whether that is really out there. Are people aware of that? You know, I mean, there is a little bit of discrepancy if there's a 2-year or less gap. So if the other partner is 18 and the other partner is 16, then, but once the age gap, because umuntu 6 or under 16, ayakwazi ukuthi abe no partner, or 19, 20 kopoka. So we see a lot of those cases, you know, and I feel that is just more educating people and educating men, because unfortunately I haven't seen it the other way around. I haven't seen a young male with an older female, but even that is not allowed, you know. So I think that is just more about educating people that this is what underage is. Ngoba uzoyithola usejele ungaqondile, uthole unecala ungaqondile, you know. But I think stories that really, really do touch me have definitely, without no doubt, is iy'ngane.
Uyakwazi ukurecover ubuyele nje emsebenzini. So esingazicontact
Yeah,
from
and,
you.
yeah, I also feel in it because there's expensive words. They sound very expensive. Bantu who are not even as educated and maybe as some people ngaphandle yabo. When we speak of sexual assault, can you please, because I feel like siyadinga ukubaza abantu abayibukelayo lento ukuthi yini sexual assault yabo, because people tend to think ukuthi mhlambe because suze kwafika kwi-stage la sekuyi-rape khona, then you have to go and report. The same nje ade sikhuluma ukuthi mhlambe you take it very lightly ngoba usashaya ngempama, which is a crime nakhona. But omunye uzothi ngisho athi uthintiwe, sho wenziweni, akasiboni isidingo sokuyi-reporta because akabi as extreme as mhlambe kube i-rape yabo. So if you can take us through ukuthi what is in your field, what is sexual assault? Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just say it in layman's term, not the book
Yeah.
definition,
Yes.
but so that people
They
understand,
understand, yeah.
you know. So anyone who touches you inappropriately, that is sexual assault. So if it's on my buttock and asivumelananga, that's sexual assault. That is inappropriate. You're not allowed to touch anybody without imvumo or in touch them. You take your hand and put it on someone's breast or chest area. That is sexual assault. So it doesn't even have to. And you know what? The thing is, it escalates. So it's nice. What you're saying is perfect, because it's nice to know. Like you know, I always tell people, even in Ghana, it doesn't need to umalume okubuka ngendlela ongathandi ngayo. That is enough for you to report. You know, anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. You know, within Ghana, you need to talk in layman's terms. Khona understand ukuthi noma yini ozokuthi awithandi ayikwenza ufeel right, you must report it. But you know, once you start touching, because ayiqali futhi ekuthinteni, iqale ekubukeni. Umuntu ekubuka nje uzwa kahle ukuthi amehlalo angwathandi yabo. Then report that before it gets to putting a hand on the thigh, putting a hand on the shoulder. But you shouldn't touch the next person and make them feel uncomfortable. Ningavumelananga. Yeah.
Baripota kuphi? Because uzotshela uma ukanti umalume onemali lo umalume uzotshela omisi esikolweni kanti uthisha like
I feel at home you're all right. Bakhona abazali abanjalo. Yeah. And you know what I always say, there's a special place. Let me say in here. Let me
there
say
is a special
place.
place in hell for those mothers.
In hell.
For
I
those
wanted to
mothers,
say,
they are
for
gonna
those
burn.
parents. No, there's definitely a special place. You know,
Yeah. Abakwazi nje kuba ne-green card okudlula nje empilweni.
No. It can't be. There has to be a special place somewhere, whether it's in heaven or hell, but somewhere, because you can't do that. You know, you can't say that. It's just unacceptable, you know. But the next person would be to report to school. Schools are very good. You know, they have a school counselor, they have, and Tisha, most Tisha, if ingane reports something, they will take it upon themselves. Ziningi ingane zike zilethe othisha, you know.
Oh.
Ikole okhuluma ngazo mntama ikole private school kakhulukazi, because ezasemalokishini imbala ezinalo ma-comment anjalo, you know. So for umuntu who's in the private school, at least one, but iy'ngane ezisemalokishini, we went to one of the schools in Mlazi, I think it was last year, to go speak to those kids there. And so after everything, so the principal was sharing, because I was asking questions, how come abafana what Lottisha calling abafana about 500 would do matric, but then by end up as 200 also the 300 to drop out.
Yeah.
So and then also mentioning that by rape that is big in school. The teachers now cousin that was 16 years, but lazy years, 15, Lalanas, 16, 17. Even Abadala also come to the school. So what I'm trying to say is that there is a crisis. We are in the country where there's so much that is happening in our families where people are not educated enough about such things. So that's why the platform, Meganje, I think you are the right person to come and also educate our people to say, okay, if you find yourself in a situation where you're in the school, so when's where do we go, or you're at home, the stepfather or the father is the one who's a breadwinner, what do you do, because the case got over when way Kuluma the other day, it was a case of umuntu otenjiwe in the family obonala, you have mentioned no pastor and abeheli ukuthi akho mina mntama ngifuna ukumcela naye manje la, there are cases
Babe ne special place la.
there are cases where pastors also are doing it. We have seen it omotos getting away with izinto ezifana njengale. So what, like, how do you make sure ukuthi many anjalo abantu they get accountable ngempela? You know what I'm saying? What do we do? Because I feel like we have umthetho in South Africa in paper, but practically it's a different story. You know what I mean? That's my thing.
Uyacabanga futhi for umuntu onemali lo mthetho lo vele kube
Do you understand what I'm saying, bro?
vele kube iphepha.
Yeah.
Do you even think you have a solution to this?
I was just about to say. Wangiphuca emlomeni. I don't think there is a solution.
But you do have a
That-
suggestion, I believe, yes.
Yeah, that's why I was saying, Gutsi, the best you can do is to educate the next person educate, because ngempela mina nje nguzenzile inkontwana ngihlalela lapha. What can I do? Yabo lento engishoyo. The only thing you can do is try in your small space to put the word out there, I mean, we have no control over umthetho, and we're not even allowed to influence ukuthi uyolivula icala awulivuli. Sometimes you will fill in that J88 to the T ukuthi yes umalume uyenzile lento kuyingane, ingane uyificu nje mabefika ngale afika umama athi angilivula icala.
Yo.
What are you
Ama
gonna
social
do?
worker kuphi ezophuca leyo ngane ihambe kodwa
I don't even yabona le ama-social worker mina ngifuna ama-social worker ayedlula iy'ngane la omama behleli icelwisa imali.
zicela imali.
There's only so much you can do. You can't you can't even influence ngoba kusasa uzobuya athi ayilo dokotela wathi angivula icala mina ngangafuni. So you can't influence, so honestly speaking, there's only so much you can do.
You spoke of the consent, we have once spoke about it here in the mouth, and it's one thing, again with Tamachita as well now, that is confusing us, especially as black men. We don't know. And there was a law that was passed, I think 2 weeks ago. If your partner ni lala avume okirandi yokuqala kwesibili
Angabi.
mengavumanga irape le. So ke ngicela usinabisele usichazele ukuthi isebenza kanjani.
Yabo nje umuntu mayethe cha,
Yeah.
ngishabe kuthiwa 7, umuntu mayethe no, it's a no. I think lo mthetho ufika just to instill lento yokuthi no is no.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean if I said yes. Let me give you an example. If sometimes you'll get a teen, they agree to the kissing part, they agree to everything else. They are naked, like they've taken all their clothes off, but they say no to a certain specific thing, like for example, penetration, then it's a no. So at any point in time, umuntu wesilisa or owesifazane is allowed to say no and you have to respect that. So lo mthetho lo uphasiswe yilokho ukuthi uno nje uno.
Because umuntu uzothi
awuzoboshwa mezama ukuchaza awuzoboshwa fethu yebo manje sekuyilento ye-consent uzoboshwa woza kodwa Bramia was yeah
uzothi omunye kuye uthe no but waqhubeka, you know, but uthe no and then wase aqhubeka, and then the next thing why enjoy so sesizaqeda why right but yena mesehleli yedwa ugela uthi no man that's rape.
Yeah, because she said no. It's all about enjoyment. It's about no. It's about consent. You have to get a consent to your mood. You know, I've never come across this, but I've maybe on TV I must have heard it somewhere about someone being raped and maybe they did enjoy that. You know, because it's just my hormones maybe or being touched in a certain way. But at the end of the day, it's rape because they said no at the initiation of whatever you were trying to initiate with them.
yazi Shepherd yazi khona there's something engihluphayo engqondweni ke manje ukuthi yabona ukhulume ngoku-enjoya kule party le but yazi kukhona abantu abenza ucansi nomuntu wakhe hayi ngoba be-enjoy ukwenza ucansi nomuntu wakhe but because ufila ngazi ukuthi kumele enze ucansi ngaleso sikhathi nomuntu wakhe ngathi uphoqelekile. Is that rape? But because umthetho awukho umthetho uthe consent. But la akho akonsentwanga kwenzanga lutho but lona ngaphakathi akayizwa le eyenziwayo la.
Yeah, ngoba ushadile futhi and iBhayibheli futhi liyakuvuma ukuthi awukwazi ukumncisha imfanelo zakhe. Manje sicela usichazele.
Yabona-ke the problem there wenkanyisa ukuthi angithi ingaphakathi kuyena uyena wezwa ngaphakathi ukuthi akazange ngaze avoice out angithi athi no angifuni ngicela singaqhubeki. It's just i-feeling ngaphakathi ukuthi ufila like akakho sibamu akho lutho akakhonjiwe. It's just yena ngaphakathi ufila like uphoqelekile. Alekho icala lapho ngoba akazange aze anqabe.
So kumele kube icala ukuze kube i-rape. That's what we're saying.
Kumele
kube icala kuze kube i-sexual assault. Kumele constitute icala on paper ukuze kube sexual.
No. There must be a clear communication between the two parties that there was no consent.
Yeah. So yazi into engizama ukuyi-understand kahle ukuthi lo akayifundi lento but still ukuvoice out leyo nto leyo. So ile part ye consent ukuthi kukhona omunye umuntu ongeke aze akwazi ukuvoice out uhusband wami lo okanye boyfriend yami uyi gangster okanye wenza zonke lezi zinto azenzayo okanye akangiphathi kahle ke general but manje usefuna ukulala nami. And I can't say no because
you can. That's the thing.
You can.
Ungasho ukuthi no. Yabo thicala likumele yabo
kumele umtshele umuntu ukuthi hayi
yes ukuthi angithanda angifuni.
Then mase ifune inkani kayi ngizwele ke bafethu kumele umtshele ukuthi
because naye uzothi awuzange uzosho ukuthi cha nje. Mina uma usiqhubeka asiyoma ukuthi avumelana ngoba awusho ukuthi cha. So this thing is all around consent. Unless the other person is underage, obviously. But Mago, if it's two consenting adults, it's all about consent. Yeah. Vumelan.
I also feel like it also pushes you in a corner when to answer some of these questions because I believe when you work with social assault survivors, right? So yeah, I think that's why because when you move over like direct when I think now always a disclaimer just to go back you don't enforce the law when it comes to this thing, yabo.
Yeah.
Because of experiences now it's what and it's very important to understand she works with the survivors but she doesn't enforce this law because and then now because I don't deal with this, and I think also it's very important to do that and just to add, I feel like umthetho sometimes gets very specific. I think I had a conversation on Kanyiso Ngalento some time back. Umthetho doesn't awufuna ucabanga. If uthi awufuna wenza ukuthi, but also awufuna wenza leyo nto. But also what it does is it also protects the perpetrator even more. So mawuthi ungakwenzi ukuthi and then it happens ukuthi uyayenza and then you come as a perpetrator sekuthiwa wena wenza ukuthi it also gives you the right ukuthi nawe siyakuprotect ukuthi. So I feel like the imbalance comes from there when it comes to ama-sexual offenses in most cases because now wenza into because for example uthi if engashongo ukuthi no then that's it yabo but ekugcineni wena umrapile lo muntu or umasolithile lo muntu but umthetho ufuna ukuthi no yabo so
If it's
sometimes it gets very
consenting
it
adults,
gets very
yeah.
difficult because sexual assault isebenza nge-consent more than anything but there was any communication of some sort between the two of you guys. If there wasn't then asihlangana but if you did say no then it's fine siyakuprotect yabo but now so protect her more because now futhi no come again yabo so it's very confusing. So I feel like yeah we deal with umthetho which is very biased. I don't know if it's the right term but it's very confusing ukuthi yini ungakwazi ukuyenza because ingane encane emakhaya aziyazi yonke leyo nto leyo and in
But
most cases
remember, if it's two consenting adults,
yeah
then it's clear what there must be consent. That is why there's an age thing because if the victim is less than 16, then whether uvumile, whether unvumela now, it's out. You know, like you will get a 16-year-old ekutshela straight ukuthi no ngivumelene. That is my boyfriend. He is 25 years old. We are in a relationship. Akazange rape sivumelene nje and hlezi sikwenza icala lelo because she's underage. Yeah. So I also think like what you are saying ukuthi umthetho uclear ukuthi consent in is because they do not want us putting our personal feelings into it and our personal experiences into it because mase kufika le example onkanyiso kade eyisho ukuthi kufika umuntu i-boyfriend i-gangster uyabona ukuthi am overpowerisha lo. What if unkanyiso support a gangster mina ngisupporta the girl yabo ukuthi if you now come and you put your personal feelings then it will you accept
so
that
umthetho
it has to
usiza
be-
lapho vele.
usiza lapho ukuthi
Yeah.
now umthetho uthi it's either you've broken the law or you haven't.
yeah
Yabo.
because I would have liked to follow up on mhlampe in cases where njengoba kukhuluma Shepherd in high schools for example yabo and also you
Ibuhlungu
also
vele
touched
yase high
on
school,
yeah
bro.
she also touched on kakhulu
Yeah.
and she also touched on age gap between the two
parties,
two parties. You find with esikoleni there's a lot of teenage pregnancy and I feel like in this generation sesize sayinormalize and it's become very normal ukuthi kune ingane ziyakwazi ukukhulela esikoleni and it's normal. There's nothing you can do about it yabo but which is wrong yabo it's wrong. I come from a school where ngisafunda esikoleni we'd get more than 10 or esikoleni in one do we call them semesters or in one term more than 10 yabo so it's something engakaze ifundiswe yabo mase usuhleli phansi nabo the survivors in most of your cases inabakutshela yona nje especially if umuntu ophuma esikoleni and do you get cases where it's like I know nami ngangazi or I know njengoba usho besivumelene but because they didn't know ukuthi it's wrong and then they find themselves in those cases and then bakhume nabazali baqhuma sebethi I know it's fine and brush it off.
You know what? I feel like, unfortunately, we don't see the survivors for a long period. Babona ngaleso sikhathi.
Or members of
And
the
then
case.
yes. And then once we've done our parts, they continue with the social worker and the social worker and psychologist. So we don't get to follow up with a year later what happened. Do you still feel the same way you felt when you came to report? La ngiye ngibone khona ukuthi kuba ne change of feeling. Laba sometimes where you need to be careful also, but the problem is umthetho. So if umuntu efika ethi partner wami ngirapile ngikhulelwe abanye bayabuya umuntu story seshintshile la umthetho ungaba protect ke khona ama perpetrators ukuthi omunye ufika ngoba nakho sebone indoda isihamba nenye intombi. That la ngibona khona that is where ke it's he say she say, especially remember two consenting adults fika u20 no 25 years u20 u25 well, raped me and now I'm pregnant and this and that. And then 25, it's always they were in a relationship. But just because the guy has moved on, it's a now, when they are back together, sebezosolekala. So also people, you want to get it out there. We are working at the end of the day. Sisemsebenzini, we are working. We are here for ama-crisis angempela. It's not indawo yokuthi uzopanisha, ungazodlalela ngase-crisis center. Akusindawo yokuthi uma nixabene no-boyfriend wakho umthuse ngokuthi ngizokubopha. We do get 1 or 2 cases like that.
Bengisathi ngizobuza ngakhumbula ukuthi uthe u-Ace awuyona iloya.
No.
Kusho wena
No,
nje.
bengenzela
Kusho
impilo
wena why uthuka manje?
I'm protected by
Angithi
Thank
kusho
you.
wena.
Bengenzela umuntu esekhaya because some of these questions bazowafaka kuyena lapha kuma-comments.
Ngifuna ukuyifaka kuyena
Asiyanomeli.
Yes, because same thing yabo lento ecishe nikhulume ngayo amantombazana amanye Nkosi yami. Ngavele ngayimosha ngokugeneralize, but in this day and age we are seeing a lot of people coming out on social media bethi bafuna i-POP, and if i-POP ayiphumanga sekuyi rape yabo. Khona umunye nje usisahleli naye la esixoxe kule episode asiyikhipha ngokuthi umuntu uthola ukuthi uspende u50,000 eclubini usehlulwa ukupha u5,000 ekuseni. What does he mean? So that's why sivele simfaka icala.
You know what? My cases anjalo. Remember, we don't put feelings into it at all.
Yeah.
So, umufika nje uthi, this is what happened to me. We just do what we need to do. But those things shouldn't be happening. Akukho right. But ke isuke sisenkantolo kuba melike. La sekuzobonakala because it's now a matter of he say she say. Suke sekusenkantolo ke sebezobonana amasebele sinabameli ukuthi ngempela icala likhona noma cha. Yabo. So we are not the deciders. We don't. Tina, our hands are open for everybody. Wonke umuntu ofika e-crisis center odinga usizo othi uhlukumezekile, we will gladly help you. Ukuthi imphumela igcina itheni niyabophana bawonecala kusuke kungasekho ezandleni zethu.
Okay. Ngicela ungisize lana ke ne. Kukhona ugogo. Ningane encane. Mase kube khona ingane encane se below 16 asisabali kakhulu, and then bese bekhona lo above 16 ukuya just below i-age kagogo. Labo bantu labo ukuthi enye into ebhlungu ukuthi sikhuluma ngazi ukuthi it's only female orientated.
Ngiyabona mina
yabo ngirealize before ngibuze le question ukuthi
he, she,
yes,
boy, girl.
Why siyenzi bengazi ukuthi into ejende one
victim, because it's not. Ngiyabona ukuthi a lot of people vele mabecabanga nge-sexual assault, gender based violence, it's against women.
Yazi into ebhlungu we've already identified ukuthi lo muntu umuntu obaba umuntu omnyama.
Yeah.
It's like gender ne race sesidetermined. Kanti lento ayina gender, ayina race, ayina age.
There's no profile.
Yes.
Yeah. I keep profile. It's not females, it's not males, it's not black, white. It's a perpetrator and a victim.
Yeah.
And nathi sibabuka kanjalo ukuthi i-perpetrator, i-victim. Akukho ukuthi if you uma ngiza ngikhuluma ngilokho ngikhuluma nge-perpetrator ne-victim. Age wise, because age matters, but ukuthi umfana intombazane, because it does happen. Funny enough, the reverse. I'll say the reverse because everyone is assuming ukuthi the victim is female, the perpetrator is male. You do get male victims. We've seen male. They might not be as common for whatever reason.
Ukuripota kwabo ke bona kuba kanjani because there's two. Kukhona umuntu wesilisa ohlukunye onukubezwe omunye umuntu wesilisa. Bese bekhona ozonukubezwa umuntu wesifazane. And uthe abantu besilisa abakwazi ukuphumela obala kalula nezinto kanje.
Yabona nje mina ngilokho ngifikile angikaze ngimbone i-victim ewumuntu wesilisa ehlukunyezwe umuntu wesifazane. As to whether ingoba vela bancane or aba-report, I do not know. But abantu besilisa who have come forward to our crisis center basuke behlukumezwe another male. So the victim and the perpetrator are both male.
what can you do to encourage them ukuthi baphume lobana? Do you think because ukukhuluma akhona ama-platform mhlawumbe njengo-phone number njengo-website where you can reach out to say where maybe you know ukuthi no laba ba-efficient because we've received a lot of people coming from befonele le number le and then le number yabaletha okanye from these websites abantu babhalele le websites and then ungafika abantu abaningi. Do you have a reliable source like that for you to say if unenkinga kanje, if awukwazanga ukukhuluma nabazala, awukwazanga ukukhuluma esontweni, awukwazanga ukukhuluma esikoleni, mhlawumbe ufana namahloni kuphela ukuthi lento yaziwa abantu, which other platforms
like hotlines and
but reliable wena oyaziyo ukuthi angithi uke washo ukuthi zikhona ingane ezilethwa ngothisha,
Yes.
at least usuyazi ukuthi ku right einganeni ukuthi sometimes ukuthi zireporte kothisha, but now imupho eyiphenye channel abangakwazi ukureporta kuyona ke laba abesilisa abahlukumeza ubona ngathi hayi le.
there's no like hotline that I know, emergency hotline. I've actually never Googled. There's mhlampe khona.
Yeah.
No,
I
now. It's actually a very, very good idea. Actually, I'm sitting and I'm thinking this is such a good idea because uthola ukuthi umuntu akanamuntu angakhuluma naye, you know, ukuthi fonela le number or WhatsApp this number. That is actually would be a very,
because
very
akhona
useful
ama
tool.
helpline akhona in as much as
Those
engekho on top of
helplines
my
akhona,
head, yes,
akhona
but
on
ayikho
Google,
that is specifically
specific.
targeting umuntu wesilisa ukuthi fethu once bakuphansa la bengekakwenzi ngingaze kube wese bese akuphansile nje fonela le number kanye inboxa le page le. I think kumele uliqale mina ngizokusupport ngizokupromote.
Yeah, then my job would be even more meaningful.
Yes, asibona. Okay, siyadlula lapho because umbuzo bengifuna ukubuza eqaleni ulo ukuthi so labantu ugogo ingane encane youth because youth so youth lo ka 16 to baziprotecta kanjani okanye imapha ama signs uthi ukukhuluma nabantu nje ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu one on one ubatshela ukuthi cela ube careful ngento ukuthi cela ube careful ngento ukuthi
Awuthi ngiphuza amanzi khona ngizokutshela how I feel sometimes. It's negligence, and those are the cases that they don't even touch me. Sometimes angenza ngibe a bit on the angry side because it's just a negligence from umuntu omdala ayithole esikuleyo situation. Ngiphuza amanzi.
Yazi usakhuluma nge-negligence. Kukhona enye video engake ngayibuka ku Instagram. Yayithi kukhona abanye there are very few animals angakwazi ukuyibeka kwispace se-danger. There are very few animals. But a woman working overtime ebusuku iyakwazi ukuthi ibone ukuthi mayivula i-elevator kunensizwa la iqhubeka ingene with the hopes yokuthi lo muntu esilisa akekho dangerous but uyizwile intuition ithi ngeke mfethu angikwazi kusebusuku la kanye akho umuntu angishintshe direction okanye angangeni kwangena angiyilinde yehle. So I'm not sure why I'm mentioning this, but maybe in whatever we're talking about now, your negligence, can you try and see and help abantu ukuthi when you feel this inclination ukuthi ingozi le ukwazi ukuthi uyitimele ungabi nethemba elibhedayo elizokulahlekisa itimele kuse ukuthi ingozi amagata amathi this is dangerous. Umalume nje ungibizela endlini this is dangerous. Ubani ungibizela kwispace this is danger. Ngingakwazi ukuziprotecta ngicela uqhubeke.
Yabona nje yokuqala leyo eshoyo ukuthi intuition, but not all people get that, you know. But you know, I won't say I saw a case. I'll just speak in general, thinking of the cases that I've seen, like but lama transport systems angwabeke kanjalo ungathi specifically ubani, but ama transport systems or taxi systems lawa silande endlini zethu esisusa from one point to another. If it's at night, male or female, you can't go uthathe leyo transport system wedwa. Okay, number one, asithi kuyaphoqa ukuthi uzogibela le moto wedwa ebusuku ikususa endaweni ethile ikise endaweni ethile. Let someone else know. Simple thing, just let someone else ukuthi hey inkanyiso yazi nakho ngibize i-transport system la izongisusa la egethwe ngendlini check up on me or ngizo-share i-live location. You know, there's so many things you can do now. Find that person ozogada check. Number 2, ufika kwi-transport system babili abantu. Ngisho ngabe angathini lo driver kwena athi hayi ngizomshiya lo ngizoqale ngimshiye la mase ngiyomshiya la, that is a red flag, a complete red flag. If someone ezotransporta wena kumele afike yedwa, you know, fana nokudlula athi hayi ngizodlula la egarage ngithela upetrol. No, bekumele lo petrol especially if it's at night. You know, I've seen a few cases where that was the mistake. Abazali nabo, they need to be vigilant. Ingane awukwazi ukucela ubhuti wakamakhelwane agadele ingane yentombazane na-6. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa uya la edrobheni uzobuya manje. Just don't create opportunity. No matter how a good Samaritan that person is, try by all means to not create the opportunity. Because ngisho ngabe kuthiwa lo mcabango ubungekho ekhanda, but musukufaka lapha ekhanda. A very, very difficult one is eyama-siblings. Ubone lapho mama ukuthi yo, you know, inhliziyo yakhe is in pieces because now her 12-year-old child has abused her 10-year-old child or 8-year-old. Wenze njani lapho? Ingane zesisu sakhe, ingane zomuntu oyedwa lezi, you know. So kokunye, as much as you can by all means try, okunye you know, you try by all means, try educate. Even ney'ngane uyayitshela from a young age ukuthi if kukhona umuntu owenza kanje 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 ngitshela, but then that can backfire because let me tell you about this one child. Ngisakhumbula mhlawumbe eno-8 or 10 somewhere there. The reason why engazange azamtshele uma wakhe or ubaba wakhe ukuthi ngoba wathi ubaba wakhe kwakhona umuntu othinta ingane yami ngiyombulala. You see, now that's a positive thing because you would think your child is walking around yazi ukuthi nje no one must touch me. I'm protected, but someone did something to her. Now she can't disclose because the dad is forever saying ngiyombulala umuntu owathinta yami ingane. Siyabona ukuthi umqondo wengane ucomplex kanjani.
Isicabanga ukuthi if ngemtshela shuthi it means seyashona lo.
Yes.
And uzoshona ngenxa yami.
Yes.
Isifaka kwenye
So
indawo
it's
ke.
difficult, you know, it's difficult. But, you know, maybe that is why I want to be so present now more than ever because it's the small change in behavior, small, umntwana withdrawn. Abanye bayabhala ke. Thothi usebhala iphepha lishuthe ngaphansi kombhede umama abambele lo phepha. Or awukade sivakasha kagogo. Indaba ongasathanda ukuvakasha kagogo, you know, without ever having said anything. Why all of a sudden kade ethanda ukudlala phandle akasathandi, you know? Sometimes honestly you look at parents and they sit there and they'll be like, there was no sign. I cannot believe this happened to my child because there was no change in behavior. Because ingane ziyakwazi ukufihla, you know?
Or maybe parents are not paying enough attention.
Enough attention, but you can't really blame the parent, you know. Abazali nabo, you know, at the end of this day, awukwazi ukuhlala ugada ingane
Siyazama, nathi sisancenga le
Yeah.
mpilo.
I mean, at some point, I blame them.
Bayasebenza abazali
At
babhizi.
some point, I
Awukwazi
do.
shule kumele aphante le mali umzali.
Awukwazi
kumele-
ukuhlala ugada ingane
Yeah,
yakho.
awukwazi ukuhlala ugada
Siyafisa
ingane,
sonke, but
like-
you can't. And you know, you try, mama will feel so guilty and you trying and you know, I
I'm
mean,
sure iyadestroy le yanto umama
Iyadestroy
ukuthi ingane
umzali.
yakhe i-victim general as a parent noma ngathi umdefendile kubaba okanye umalume but I'm sure
it hits you somewhere.
Yeah.
With how did I miss that? You know, and you try by all means, ukumazisa umama ukuthi, you know, as long as you know you are doing the best you can do. There are some very negligent parents, obviously lapho ke. But omunye umzali umbona ukuthi
lezi
u-heartbroken.
zikwazi ukuya eklabhini zishiye ingane ziyishiye kanje
kamakhelwane.
Abanye zihambe
And
i-weekend yonke.
ukhona umzali
Ziye Cape
ozothi,
Town.
hayi ngicele
ziyo-create i-content e-Instagram
Ingakho ngithi ngiyabablame. Ngiblame labo ke mina.
awubablame Shulex
No, ngiyabablame
awubatshela iy'ndaba zabo
Because
mani
you miss out on an opportunity ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ingane yakho when she's okay and when she's not, or maybe when he's okay or not, yabo? Because when you're busy going around wenza izinto that only makes you happy, yabo? Lezi zinto ey'ncane kumele mina the every time engikhuluma nomuntu nengane ngihlezi ngimtshela into eyodwa, ngicela ingane yakho uyithande. By that I mean yazi me right, yazi me ku wrong. Yazi mangabe ingasekho uyibona ukuthi yabo manje ayisekho right, but how do you know ukuthi ayisekho right because you are not there empilweni yakhe for isikhathi eside uthi uyi-recognize kanjalo yabo. I had a case where it's not a case, so I was having a conversation with someone who shared a story because ubukala i-podcast kakhulu yabo, and then she just shared a story with me out of the blue nje wavela ngixoxa the story uthi mfethu ngiyayibuka i-podcast yakho ngiyayithanda nani, and then she shared a whole life story, and then you find ukuthi as you listen uyabona ukuthi there's a big opportunity abantu abazali abayi-create-ayo for ukuthi ama-perpetrators ingane igcine ziba ama-victims ezinto ey'fana nalezi because uthola ukuthi ingane uzoyithola and then awunaso isikhathi wena ugijimisa imali, which is right, but then now and again find out ukuthi ingane yakhe isa-right yini yabo. Yena she was a victim because of something like that sengisho, that's why ngithi ngiyaba-blame because I was listening to their story ukuthi ingane for I think 4-5 years engekho nje, and ingane waphoqeleka ukuthi manje iziyenze njani izithola umsebenzi wasebusuku manje sindala, and lo msebenzi osebenza manje is not because ifile ngazi ukuthi idinga imali, but because ifile ngazi ukuthi zonke izinto ezenzeka empilweni yayo was because of absence yomzali yabo. She had sex esamncane yabo, naloko futhi she's beating herself up because ufile ngazi ukuthi whatever that's happening right now is because of what happened at that time yabo.
Kunjalo vele Shulex isikhathi esiningi whatever lokho kwenzeka osamncane kune-impact enkulu masomdala.
Yeah, so I feel like just to I ain't go back in peace, but because we find cases like those
where the parents are neglected.
Yeah, and I wanted to like, how do you approach mhlampe into uma besiza umuntu like a sexual survivor, and also not just yourself at work but masese abantu abasemakhaya, because like you mentioned earlier ukuthi also find ukuthi umuntu ufikelwa ivule case or why report land on the first day and then 2 days 3 days after you find out ukuthi case isuliwe yabo. What is the best way unga advise ngabantu ukuthi mfethu umuntu mangabe uzovula icase kanje for them to make sure ukuthi lento iyaqhubeka and ama perpetrators baya charge for lezi zinto lezi, and bahlale la kade sisho khona kwi special place sabo lesi sila emhlabeni hayi lesi sashe part sasehell.
I was dingless manje.
Like what's the approach nje around that? What do you say to someone who's
and think enye into just ede kuphela lamahashwe ayikho i-state asikuvuleli nisona icala ukuthi okay lona ke uyakuxolela ke thina si-state asikuxoleli ngoba wena ucommitted sexual assault or in certain cases
they do, but angisena umuntu omthetho so angazi ukuthi
which are those special cases. Umoshileke man uzusitshele ukuthi lo muntu akazidla yadlala
doctor. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I mean, I have an idea, but I don't want to say and get to this and then you show the wrong thing.
Yeah.
But in certain cases, yes, the state can open a case against the perpetrator.
Yeah.
Also, what Ace is saying, you can't awukwazi ukuthi umuntu masezo withdraw icala mase mina ngizothi you know, they have their reasons whatever, and isuke ingasekho kuthina as much, you know, isuke isine semaphoyiseni withdraw. We don't even know some of the cases where umuntu gets withdrawn. The only next major interaction iba okay, they come for follow-up, we see them for follow-up, but the only next major mhlawumbe umuntu uzombona ngoba usubizwe enkantolo usuzotestify, you know, against the perpetrator. So people have different reasons ukuthi ba withdraw icala, you know. Maybe icala wasn't there in the first place, like I was saying. So you never know what the reason is to withdraw a case, you know.
Oh, it's very cool. So it complex shoot.
Yakhumbula sorry ukuphazamisa yakhumbula ukuthi uthi wena kayizwa manje uthotha umama use Cape Town uthani
and you feel creating with the Instagram
la. We were just talking about balance phela, you know, give us some slack. Mama nabo and dads, you know, they also do need their time baphume kancane baye go Cape Town and
kanti sebevula igap.
But, you know, you can't also put so much pressure on a parent. Let me say a parent, either a father or mother, because as much as you're a mother, you're a father, but you need to find yourself within all the chaos, So you can't always blame the parents so much for taking that trip or ukuthi uhambile wayoshawa umoya wapholisa ikhanda kancane, Parents need that because parenting is a whole other job on its own. You can't be working 24/7 with no break.
Yazi, so
That's why angiphikisa nje.
no. So that is why ukuthi abanye ba negligent kakhulu mama
Yeah,
masikwazi kubaxolela bona.
Yeah.
Because really they just khona abasebenza kakhulu ngokuyimisela, kukhona abazama, kukhona engazuthi abanandaba nje.
Yeah.
Umuntu azayishiya ingane nogogo, so labo kuwes kakhulu angeke sikwazi ukuyishugarcoat yabo because they need to be really responsible. However, nakubona kuba nawo ama cases weba utho ukuthi the situation ekhaya is complicated.
Yeah.
Yabo okanye even nobaba engane loyo. Yabo? Okay. So ekuqaleni when we were talking about ukuthi, then that means this thing is very difficult to even identify it. Yabo? So I'm going to I was trying to go to a place where we can find a solution for a system that enables these things to happen. So a system can be out there or a system can be within. Mangisho kanjalo ukuthi maybe in the world manje ngaphandle kukhona lento eyenza abantu besilisa balangazelela ukuthi benze ucansi noma kuthiwa luvumelekile noma livumelekanga. And then uthola ukuthi kwabanye isystem leyo ingaphakathi kwabo. Bayalangazelela nje bona from a place that they do not even understand, maybe from a dark place, because uyacabanga ukuthi TV sinokubuka ama case kuthiwe kurechwe ingane na 9 months ukuthi silwane sini lesi sake. So within a human being kunalento lene inkinga ekumele thina singabantu, not even abafana okanye abantu besilisa, sikwazi kuyi-identify exactly ukuthi okay, this is the cause. And then once we've identified it, and then singakwazi ukudila nayo kahle, because ayibonakala ebantwini, ayizivezi ebantwini. But maybe if you can study the data to see ukuthi naba labantu bafika nanzi i-situation esidila nayo yenzeka kuma environments akanje, and this is the pattern that it follows. So silwane sini lesi sisukela kuphi? Ingabe sisukela ekudleni okudliwa abantu okwenza babe nenkanuko? Ingaba senziwa ilento ukuthi abantu bane access yokubuka nje amantombazana anqunu ku Instagram sebeqhenyelwa njalo, or else ingaba i-access ye-pornography increase lento le. And then therefore sekuzongenelela abantu abakhulu abadlula mina nawo abangakwazi ukuthi yonke lento bakwazi ukuthi ilungi ibe right, because I do not really imagine a perfect society, kuyi society where abazali worried ngengane zabo ukuthi ziyarechwa noma zinjani. I don't. Umzali akabe umzala enjoy na impilo yakhe. Yabo? Abantu mababe abantu ba enjoy impilo yabo. Nathi sibe abafana si enjoy impilo yethu. Hayi ukuthi size sisolwe. Manje sengizodlalisa inefu ingane yasekhaya. Sekumele ngigadwe ngisolwe because we are all paranoid, because asiyazi lento ibukeka kanjani. Yabo? So I do not believe a perfect society is that, and I do not believe ukuthi lokho kuyasiza yes ukunambisa pain, but at some point we will have to identify this thing, sidile nayo accordingly.
Someone will have to do a study on the perpetrators.
Yeah.
Maybe there is a certain profile. They don't fit a profile. Maybe there is a certain profile. One of the things is, remember, some of these people actually do have psychiatric conditions. Abaphilile kahle yabo, bayagula ngempela.
So usukugula
Kodwa
ngempela.
ukugula nje ukwenza into efana nalo. So as much as I say they don't have a profile ebonakalayo, but mhlambe mase ngempela usuhlala phansi usuthatha proper history exam, maybe I'm sure ikhona profile, ikhona into ekhona mhlambe enga similar or common amongst ama perpetrators.
Yabo uyacabanga imizoqhamuka nokumfundisa esontweni. Leyanto iqhamuka kumuntu othembakele ngalendlela, noma ngathi ukhuluma kamnandi kanjani Nkosi yami, noma ngathi unamalini, noma ngathi ugqoka kahle kanjani, noma ngathi unuka kahle kanjani. But now if you live with that paranoia, that means yonke into isolayo wena ke.
And I think that's the problem.
Sekuzohlanya wena ke anxiety ke neparanoia.
You mean I get manje one anxiety
ne paranoia ke serious kabi.
Ubona every day like
Ingane yakajika ikhona.
usuyigadile. Yeah, that is what I think I have to live
for
with.
there's something you said earlier ngifuna ukukhipha kancane kwi-profession yakho because I think yenza ukuthi i-conversation ibe too serious yabo.
Yeah.
There's something you said ukuthi through all this experience lo etholayo and when you're at work you find yourself sometimes ukuthi mase uhleli nabantu and you mention ukuthi just be careful of this and be careful of that yabo. Ngifuna sikhulume to that level manje where you are just yourself and with that experience yomuntu osesebenzile lapha ukuthi why ubona khona isidingo sento kanjalo, and two, just like speak to omunye umuntu osekhaya mhlawumbe who's been a victim of this thing, or maybe mhlawumbe even nama perpetrators, because I think sicabangela ama victim kanti nama perpetrators mhlawumbe angayishintsha ingqondo umuntu a potential perpetrator. Khona umuntu ecabangayo lento noyibonayo ukuthi hey mina ngingayenza ukuthi because angazi abazi ngempela ukuthi ingane na 17 na 16 emncane angikwazi ukudate nayo. Mhlawumbe just take us through that nje ukuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma nabo in a less formal way, yabo. That same way usuke ufeel ukuthi you see the need ukuthi uchazele umuntu osuhle naye. That's exactly.
You know what? I think I've become the annoying friend,
No, you're not,
annoying
you're not.
aunt. Ngisho amongst phela annoying aunt, annoying friend, annoying sister. I know I was with my sister nje a few weeks ago and I'm like, hey sis, yazi khona enye case wathi ngeke zinzokuthamthela ngama-case akho yimina ngeke.
I think it comes in passion. If you're passionate about what you do,
so
you really just go out
I
there.
think I've become a bit annoyed, you know. I mean annoying, you know. I'm that even like my daughter, umntana mangimfonela ngithi hayibo wenzani manje ugade lapho ungabizi le modes of transport ebusuku. You know, but it's made me alert. Like when I'm sitting with we're sitting with my umshana. He's in his early 20s, you know, and they were discussing amantombazane yabo and le language I understand. Ngiyabona kodwa uthi hayi nentombazane phakathi le ngisho ngabe kuthiwa angikheche kodwa ngiyayikhecha yabo bayakhombisana la efonini and you know they're cool phela, you know they're dressing oversized, the girls love them. So ngiyabona ukuthi hayi kodwa le inentombazane phakathi bayakhombisana ithi ayikhala ifoni. Umshana up. Oh gosh, I hope he's not watching this podcast because he's on
case study, man.
It's a case study. So ngimbona ukhuluma nefoni nayo yaphuma ayabuye akhulumele phansi mase ngithi wena how ubalo khuluma naye athena no it's a potential date ngithi mina oh really mase ngithi mina okay mase sithi ma ungibiza ngoma ngizokwenza njani, girls love me yabo. Mase ngithi mina wena yeah I love them too. Mase ngithi mina okay hayi ngiyabona ke ekuthandeni amantombazana nawathanda kodwa ngicela ukuthi ibuze le ntombazana thina iminyaka emingana naye ngithi wena no 22 intombazana ineminyaka emingaki athi no I think she don't think you must know how old the girl is. If you think she's 18 she could be 16, so find out how old she is. Ngoba okulandelayo uzoya jail. And it's just like ma wena you're not cool yabo. So I don't mind not being the cool one, but okusalayo every opportunity ngithola ngizomtshela ukuthi ibuze leyo ngane ukuthi neminyaka emingakana, you know. I'd even tell the other day kade ngikhuluma no myeni wami lawyer ebengichazela ngaye. So you know he was more a bit concerned ukuthi ayingeke zenze manje wonke umuntu uzobuka ngamehlo perpetrator shithi ngelinye ilanga nami uzothi ngiyi-perpetrator yabo.
I was going to go there. I was going to ask you now about that. You know, sorry to cut you. Because it seems like I'm listening to you and kunezinto ishilo while the conversation iqhubeka, and also uthema uqala yabo le nkinga ayibuza nkanyiso ayisho manje ukugcina ukuthi sizokwenza njani, you know, as a society. You mention an answer which you want to focus on your family. I think the biggest problem that we have right now is because of this society. This now everyone wants to work now, no one wants to take care of the family. Else or taking and like look panda way we have to, you know, all of us go and work, you know, so that. But you said when you rather she and focus emndenini wakhe khulisa umndeni wakhe that's it esidinga that's why amadoda kumele asebenze kakhulu kunakuqala
Yebo.
uzomama bangasebenzi banakela imndeni sinenkinga ezifana lezi nje ngoba sonke siyophanda no one is paying attention kanti la amanye amarese engeke ngiwasho they make sure ukuthi omama
They are at
basakhona
home.
ekukhuliseni iy'ngane then ke obaba bambe bophanda ngiya-understand ama-dynamics manje indlela esiyona but it's one of the solutions ukuthi if ever mase kuthiwa amadoda ngempela they focusing on building wealth then the women take care of the kids singakwazi ukuyilento ukuthi isheshe isolve kancane because beside lokho and of course nakho kumele kuvalwe ngoba kuyinkinga those are just symptoms though but the main one ukuthi women must go back to asisho ukuthi bangasebenza
And to some extent, I honestly believe in that, inkinga ezikhona manje, ogogo bethu, zazingekho as big as the problem is. I mean, the cases we are facing, they were always there, but I don't think they were heightened as much as they are. Like you are saying, if both, ngike ngisho ngiqala ukuthi sobabili, uma simina nobaba sobabili endlini, si push career samamele ingane sele no aunt yabo you need someone no gogo no you have I feel this is my now personal feeling someone has to be present for abantwana and I will not let my kids grow up without at least one present parent yabo and I'm not ashamed to say that yabo even workspace wherever I'm not ashamed no matter how much people feel or what kaze wanje emsebenzini ukuthi mina i-priority yami izingane zami and was umphathi wami funny enough said to me okay when I was confused not knowing I was frustrated I'm battling with trying to be a good mom best mom but also ngiyathanda nami ukuphinde ngifake ijazi ngiphinde khona nje podcast uSunshine angisendele yona unkanyise so namajazi amangakanani andayona
Hello, Sunshine.
I wash ngasiyo I think one of the guests you had
ngcono kwakumfana kodwa
wash ukuthi hayi washa amajazi ngathi yo
ngcono kwakumfana under the same profession but at least akahamba yofunda nami ngathuka kodwa 14 years of ukufunda angeke kulunga
kasho ngathi yo wawash and ngasho letade ngisho ukuthi khona higher grade khona lower grade ngasho ngathi hayi yo I hope unkanyiso ngiyangibuza ukuthi nginamajazi amangibaza mother
That's it.
But sometimes you need to be okay with that.
In a society where we really materialistic and we chase the things of the world, that is very important. That's why I being highlighted because you choose to be a mother more than anything. But now we can't keep saying that me and Shepherd nabo ace because kuzobangaza ukuthi thina sifuna amantombazana babe nama role specific ukuthi abahambe bawe gada ingane. So that's why mina ngingaphawuli kakhulu ngikiyeke uyikhulume but it's ngiyabelivela kuyona kakhulu. But kodwa ngisho ukuthi amajida awangambi ukuyokwenza imali so that bezofeed imindeni.
Kodwa nabo phela baba babalekile yabo that's what I'm saying
course.
balance is so hard
I think the balance is important
Yeah.
because ngoba things I had a meeting with one of the schools there and it's a private school so mama that are in professions like they're doing very well and they have a crisis in a private school ukuthi akhona ama programs for abafana but our sees because ikudona eziningi za rape la ingane osku la bengikhuluma bakuma drugs
badla nelini khona la
so mama when they think by giving them imali all these things bayabasiza kanti baba more so now bakhala but we have tried everything we have a program there but we don't know what to do because these kids don't want to listen to us and we are giving them everything that we want abayidinga njalo but still they are doing all these things and I didn't know ukuthi kanti kumosha kanje ku private because bengithi yilokishi kuphela kubi nakhona because the dads are not present
yeah
abekho baba so ngiyayithanda indlela osho ngakuthi obaba nabo babalekile kakhulu because I feel like sometimes right now kunalento ukuthi ngathi obaba babalekile because sisibethu they are doing well njengoba they are doing well at the same time akupheli kobaba kuphela even with their families baz exclude kuma families abo because lapho mase ngibalalela most yabo there's intwana they don't have access to all malume, because I asked them, I'm like, all malume back on in their lives, but no, we don't want labo bantu labo, you know. So kunale anto ukuthi because now they are doing well, so bayashehlisa nemndeni yabo imost yabo, you know, ukuthi ayekhaya, you know, washo wacima. So now they have a crisis because lezi intwana ilalele, there's no 13.
And to add does ukuthi there's one ngihlezi mina I'm on social media kakhulu yabo ngihlezi ngibuye ngingene ngibukela ama live nani you find on TikTok ingane eze say high school ze live during school hours
Zikepi.
in
TikTok
Joburg,
ze live.
private schools on TikTok lives they live with the school
TikTok live.
yes zikhumula ama blazers and they hide whatever but then some of them they know they're very famous they're big on TikTok yabo, so
But
that
ingane
people
yesikole.
know ukuthi lengane le. And when I want to go somewhere where you also touch this thing Jobu Shepherd Dash ingane zesikole lezi live esikoleni. And you know what, obviously ingane yesikole ngeke ingene esikoleni ngeke ingene kwi live yokhuluma ngama school books and whatever, so kunamajita ayifunayo la ingane yesikole igqoka uniform, you understand. So even worse ke nje badu ithatha leyo ukuthi kunengane mina ngiyithandile yani ukuthi sometimes as annoying as you think you may be, it's also nice to remind them now and again ukuthi also check iminyaka yengane because because egcineni uyithola usuku icase kanjani because njengoba uthi I think lezi ingane zikhula zindala yabo le ngane misha live igqoka school uniform incane uyayibona ukuthi ingane encane le, but go on her feet ubuka ithomba ayipostile it's completely different. Izugqoka ingubo eqoka abantu abadala yabo ukuthi lo muntu umdala nje. So uma umuntu engawajoyina ama live akhe ngaleso sikhathi or ubhize mina ungena usungena on TikTok uyobuka ama feed yakhe ngikayipost eqoka uniform mawususumbuka ukhuluma naye indawo ayihamba indawo ayipostayo beze benza ama highlights ke lezi ngane on social media you find ukuthi kune highlights dedicated nje ukuthi when they go out you know what they order ama cocktails, drinks, they post your champagnes, they post all these things, but inganye yesikole. So as umuntu omdala or as a 22-year-old umshana wakho lade sikhuluma ngayo mengena kwi feed yale ngane obviously manje akusahanjwa kuyohlangana emfuleni sesihlangana la kwi social media yabo ngena kwi Instagram ngena kwi TikTok mengena lapha ngibuka i highlights ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu uyaphuma shuthi mdala. That's why I think because uhlangane naye wabona i story sent a postile. Let me not say a club, for example, but a setting where people were having drinks or they were hosting somewhere, they were having fun as adult people. So you have a good time, sample loan at 19 or 20. That's why I think. Because you never associate alcohol.
And level baqala ko 14
Yes.
students.
Yabo
Baqala
nje
ko
social
14.
media mina ke nje vele zami ingane angivumi.
We valid.
Shout out to you.
My daughter nje
Shout out to you.
lo omdala ufuna ukwazi iminyaka yakhe.
Ah, no.
No social media. Like in high school, TikTok, Instagram, to a point where, I mean, she's doing it first year manje, but to Instagram akakabi now because akawujwayelanga akazana ukuthi vele masengi now manje ngizowenzani, you know. And iphone mina ngiyayicheck as long I'm very strict and I don't know if it's fortunate or unfortunate. Uma usahlala ngaphansi kweroof yami ifone yakho there's no my phone. I need the code to your phone. That's why I can be annoying as much as you want, but at the end of the day ngikhule ngiku strict nami ekhaya and that's how you go. You know, my daughter used to say, ma, but that was back then. Yeah, it was back then. But sokusalayo now ngizokhulisa ngendlela engakhula ngayo. I honestly don't believe lento ukuthi ingane you give them. I'm not the give everything type of parents. Uthola manesi and you earn things, mina. You know, if you want an iPhone 14, it's not gonna come for you must earn it. If you say thola u-A nalapha wenze lokho, if you don't do it, you're not getting it. It's just how I work, how I operate, you know. And umphathi wami funny enough emsebenzini uke wangibuza something wathi one day masuna 50 ba, when you look back and you reflect on your life, cabanga manje what will you be most proud of? Uzoba proud ukuthi hayi ngashaya wonke amajazi unkanyiswa ngibiza nge-specialist, or are you gonna happy that be proud of your kids that you've raised good kids, well-mannered, you know, well enye into simple things like know when to speak. Yazi izinto that are answer you always say be a good child, God-fearing in but nje ukwazi ukuthi khona isikhathi sokukhuluma nesikhathi sokungakhulumi, small things, simple things that I feel like only a present parents can teach you, you know, are you going to be proud if ingane zakho zindala but ukhuluma noma kanjani because vele you were not there, or are you going to be proud masubuka ukuthi ayikade ngikhulisile though yabo ezami ingane ziyahlonipha eyami ingane ngeke isho into ingayicabanga. And I said, and I was like, honestly, it's like he spoke to my soul because that's who I am, that's what I want for myself, you know. So it's just a choice, yabo. It's just but angeke ngize ngeke ukukhuluma no matter how annoying I am. I feel like I was put in the space that I am for a reason, you know. And it, as much as I can share my experiences, I can talk as much, it's getting somewhere, you know. Umshana nje next time uzothebona into izoringa lento ukuthi eshiyazi uma wathi.
What? Yeah.
Angibobuze age uzomthola seyibuze age ukuthi awuneminyaka emingaki, yabo. So it's small things.
Uyishaye khona ngqo. Ingazi noma amajita athini. Hayi, ivali ayavala bana. Hayi, ivali kahle kakhulu. Dokotela.
Yebo.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Kubonga mina kakhulu.
Angeke ngize ngikubuze ngisho ne-advice yokuyivala because usichazile ukuthi abazali benzeni. Angabe ngiyayimosha. Ukuyivala nje ukuthi nje siyabonga. Sikukubona ukuthi bayalalela bayayishare lento noma bayishare. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Kubonga mina.
Thank you so much. But makukhona okusenhlizweni ohalela ukusho futhi usungakusho ke bese bayivale kabafowethu.
I think I've said it all. I've shared everything, you know. I'm at danger. We're talking about I'm at danger signs, you know. I'm at but I think it's just see people need to be vigilant. Where there is danger, chances are there is danger, you know, and try khona izinto emhlabeni engeke uvimbe kuzokwenzeka but akwenzeke usuzame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi hayi kodwa nami engiqaphelile lapha nokwenzeke ngempela usuzamile nawe as umuntu ukuthi kungenzeke, you know. And you know it breaks our heart to see these cases, and I mean if we could see less cases, you know, it would be amazing. Kungangcono. Yeah, but otherwise thank you so much for having me here.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
All right.
I mean, I think personally, we've learned a lot, and thank you for your transparency and you know, usifundisa amazi. This is very important, you know, because you also have ingane zabafana. You know, right now most of the guys bahamba nje basaba, you know, uthi as victims, uthi kuthiwa ngenze, you know. So I think education is important for these young men to know, you know, what is right and what is wrong, or what they can do to protect themselves, you know. So thank you so much, you know, for educating our people, and nathi sifundile a lot. And ngiyancane indlela okhulisa ngomndeni wakho, and I wish we can have more people, especially otaki, who are successful but nje bangabhayiziswa lezinto ukuthi ingane zizenzele noma kanjani, you know. And kudos to you. Sibongele nohusband, siyabonga kakhulu nakuyena ngoba engathi asikhulumana naye kakhulu kodwa siyabonga ncike enkosi. Amen.
Siyabonga. Ayikho isalute esingayishaya especially azobona ukuthi hayi
Nosicwele ngayo.
Thank you nako sunshine singakuvali mfethu.
No. There's nothing much, but except for just to appreciate ukuthi now is, you know, sometimes you feel like because ukhuluma abantu sometimes ngihlezi ngisho kanjalo basaba ukuba vulnerable, yabo. So when you share a story a bit emotional and it's a bit touching, they abafuna open up to those points, yabo. So sometimes ungafeel ngathi uthi mawukhuluma into kanjalo mhlawumbe it's because bayakuvalela and mhlawumbe abafuna ukuthi nami ngumuntu obuyathanda post story serious njengamabomu, yabo. Because sometimes you have to speak about things like this, yabo. Mina ngiyaphuma even whereas ku contrary to into engiyiyona impilo engiyiyona, because umuntu oyiphumelayo ebusuku umuntu onanani, but I don't forget ukuthi there's things like this that happen in life, yabo. That's why now I get an opportunity speak about real things in life, because ile impilo ayona ayikho ngamajazi uthi namajazi amangaka egcineni. I said this the other time ngathi mina egcineni ugcina ufunda ibhuku ukuthi uma suyitshela ukuthi una 70 years ahead of life kanti usukuphila according to what leli bhuku lishoyo. When you walk out la ngaphandle uhlangana nezinto ezincane ezenzeka la benziwa abantu emgaqweni, because they don't understand ukuthi wena ufunde kangakanani, and it doesn't matter kubona ukuthi ufunde kangakanani, yabo. So ama platforms akanje abantu aba annoying njengawo, so akhona ama platforms anje. So if you feel like you have something to say, just
Buye futhi,
Yeah.
ubuye or part 2.
Yeah.
Hayi,
Ngoba
ngizokwenza.
anoya.
Siyabonga ngaphezulu.
Sibaphinde. Danke Majiteni, danke Shulex, danke Pepo Shepherd, danke Dokotela.
Siyabonga.
Goodbye.
Thank you.